Career Center was able to help me identify what is the end goal.
Basically give you that moral support and confidence.
Helping us to be authentic in ourselves.
The students that come in through the Weston Career Center each gets a dedicated career coach and also industry experts that allow them to be successful.
We've got a lot of tools. Everything from technical tools for the technical interview to the soft skills, to how to write a resume, how to put a cover letter together. We have a career guide. We have all the steps laid out for them and the tools that go into each step.
They're able to find opportunities where I can apply my knowledge to and also look good on my resume and help me with the interview.
My career coach in particular, he went above and beyond what was expected as a career advisor, and that preparation gave me the confidence to perform well in the 4 interviews that I had in the same day at Microsoft and finally getting the offer.